Hello, my name is Greg from Motor Match Crewe, and today I'm going to be taking you around this approved used vehicle. This funky looking Toyota Aygo 5-door city hatchback is finished here in a lovely white colour with contrasting red and black accents. It's definitely guaranteed to turn heads, and powered by a 1-litre petrol engine, it's very economical as well, an ideal new car for a new driver on the road. Key equipment highlights on this model will include the benefit of full automatic xenon headlights with LED daytime running lights. Additionally, you can see those red accents throughout with this X front grille design as well. Multi-spoke diamond cut alloy wheels will make this car feel incredibly premium, and although the boot space isn't class leading given the car size, there's more than enough space for shopping with the option of folding the rear seats down 50-50. Just in case, underneath, Toyota have even been able to fit a full-size spare wheel. A quick glimpse in the front cabin will also unlock a leather-wrapped multifunction steering wheel for the driver, as well as front sports seats will feature integrated headrests, as well as additional side bolster supports for maximum comfort. Cabin in the rear is the same, featuring this two-tone cloth design, and also benefits from two ISOFIX child anchor points. So the rear passengers are not feeling left out, there's even a cup holder for them as well. Once behind the wheel, the steering wheel is easy to operate, featuring volume controls on mode, as well as Bluetooth telephony. For long distance trips, there's even cruise control and speed limiter, and wing mirrors are fully electrically adjustable. Easy to read, a large speedometer gives it a bit of a retro feel, but the real gem in this car is this infotainment touchscreen. It will unlock Bluetooth telephony and audio for wireless media streaming, as well as full benefits of AM, FM and DAB digital radio reception. The 6-speaker sound system can also be fully optimized to individual tastes, and for added connectivity, you'll be pleased to know there's even full Apple CarPlay and Android Auto smartphone projection. Other great features on this vehicle will also incorporate various car information so you can monitor your trip and fuel efficiency, as well as various other system settings. To help you park, this small city car even benefits from a full parking camera system, so parking won't be a doddle. Moving down the cabin, whatever the weather, easy-to-use single-zone climate control system is also on offer, with large cup holders and even USB and auxiliary inputs to charge up your device. RAC Extended Warranty is available on this vehicle. For more information about it or to arrange a test drive, please give us a call on 01270 864 408 or inquire online now. Many thanks for watching.